Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is part 3 of the 3-part bedroom, bathroom, 2-closet series. In episode 1, we tackled the first bedroom in the series where we redid my niece Zoe's room and we did this beautiful DIY collage wall behind her bed. And then in episode 2, we tackled their bathroom makeover where we brought in beautiful bohemian vibes but with a really simple design. And then also organized both of their walk-in closets. So if you haven't checked out part 1 or 2, I'll leave them linked below this so that you guys can. So this wraps up our series and this is the last bedroom. So excited to get started on this one specifically because we are going to be painting, doing very bohemian, dreamy vibes. So the inspiration for this room is a very bohemian vibe, but I wanted a really neutral, natural foundation and then bring in more natural nature colors like in greenery, and then also pops of color in the throw pillows and other accents throughout the room. Also bringing in some rattan and other natural elements just to kind of give it that really bohemian vibe and look. First thing that we have to do, even though there is minimal furniture in here, I've ordered some stuff, I've brought some furniture in, so we're gonna get everything out and then start painting. I didn't want to go with white walls in this space, so I wanted to tone them down just a little bit with this misty kind of gray color. So this color is from the Benjamin Moore collection and it's called Balboa Mist. And I highly recommend trying the color in the room before you select it because I thought that this color was gonna be too green and it totally wasn't. And yes, I do have a painting stick that I added shortly after this clip because I was not going to be tall enough to paint this room. Look at this color. So it was definitely the same color. It was white before. You can tell the ceiling, how it's just like a really soft, misty gray. It's really pretty. It's gonna be a great base for our bohemian vibe. I didn't have another spare bed lying around to upcycle, so we bought a really pretty platform bed and it was just the right kind of color and it had great reviews. We are gonna get started building this guy. Oh, that's a lot of reasons. Cool. So here's the platform bed all built. It's a full-size bed and I got a full-size memory foam mattress for her. And I'll leave all of the details for all of the products that I used in this room below. So I put the bed a little off center and my plan for in this room is to do a gallery wall and some shelving and then like a little seating area on this side, which will be super cute. So since we're doing a gallery wall, I couldn't really think of a better place to get art from than Desenio. I did my office makeover and I did a beautiful gallery wall over my sofa couch that I have in there. I'm so happy when they wanted to sponsor another video so that I could show you even more really pretty prints. Did peek a little bit because I was very excited and wanted to make sure the color that we were doing the room really went well with the art. So I got all of these amazing prints and then one of them we are actually going, two of them we're actually going to be putting matted. In this room, I really wanted it very bohemian style. So I went with the oak colored frame in this. And we have different sizes. The art was the first thing that I picked out for this room. So I highly suggest to pick your art first. Once you get it, you can play around with the colors. A gallery wall is gonna be a major section in your room. Desenio has great options for frames too. I picked the oak color wood. They also have lighter colors. They have black and white. And I thought the oak color was gonna be beautiful in this space. And for the prints, I just wanted a collection of natural, very bohemian looking that felt young and fresh for her. I also love that Desenio has mats for their picture because this gives you the option to make a picture that doesn't come in the size that you want a little bit bigger. I love this picture of this kind of line drawn face, but it wasn't quite big enough. So I just got a mat to fill out that space. They look so pretty. I think this is the final layout of how I want the gallery wall to be hung right above the bed. So we'll start with the Hello Sunshine and then the two big ones and then the two on the side, and then we'll finish it off with some shelving. Also, since this is a platform bed, I really want to get the pillows and the bedding on the bed first to see really where the height is going to come up on the wall, and then we can hang the gallery walls. For the bedding, I went with off-white sheets, and for the duvet cover, I went with this really pretty kind of ashy beige color. I felt like it warmed up the space a little bit, but still was kind of an ashy color. Once I got the standard size pillows in place, I could see how high they were going to come up on the wall, which helped me determine where the gallery wall was going to sit. So the two larger size pictures, I really wanted to position right over each of the positions in the bed. So both of them right above each pillow. Okay, so we got two of the pictures hung, and I have another idea for this wall that I actually want to accomplish before completing the gallery wall. So we just assembled these shelves, and I really wanted shelving over this little seating area that we're doing to really fill out the wall space above that, because we don't want more pictures. Because they had 3 braces and 3 holes where we needed to drill in the shelves, it was quite tricky. Okay, that was a struggle, but we got it up. That one looks really good and sturdy. So I'm thinking 2 of them here. That was why it was important to hang the shelves first, because I actually flipped the layout of my gallery wall to add more height on the right side because there was so much height on the left with the shelves. So I love that the gallery wall brought in so much color, and then we're going to be playing off the color that's in each picture with some throw pillows. But if you guys have been interested in incorporating a gallery wall into your own home, in any room, Desenio offers so many different types of styles and color palettes to really bring any wall to life. And if you use code MaCenna10 at checkout, you'll receive an extra 10% off their already 30% offer they're running on their website. So you guys should totally check it out. The code is valid until August 2nd, and the offer just doesn't include some of their frames or hand-picked or personalized prints. They have so many more. We have a lot of work to do. We have another shelf, a very cute seating area, and then the whole other side of the room to do. So let's get started. So the second shelf is a little shorter than the other, and I wanted it positioned underneath to really fill out the wall a little bit. Turn this little area into a cute seating area. I really wanted the most popular chair that IKEA has right now, which is the Bohemian style high back wide loungy chair. It's so pretty, but it's basically sold out everywhere, like everywhere. I went on Facebook Marketplace just out of curiosity and found someone less than like 2 miles from my house selling the older version for a cheaper price, and it was in perfect condition. Look at it! It's perfect. Just a little dirty on the seat cushion, threw the cover into the washing machine. It was basically brand new. They had just like never really used it and didn't have a place for it. Cleaned up nicely, and it's perfect. Back in early March, I actually found this side table at the thrift store for $4.99, and a friend had these leftover knobs that she wasn't using. I decided to swap out the knobs to give it a little more of a vintage vibe and a little more bohemian. Updating the knobs on a cabinet is super simple, and then it can kind of give it a little bit of a more special look. Since the platform bed is so low, this was a better height of a side table than like the one that we used in Zoe's room, which was a lot taller. So if you guys remember, maybe like 6 months ago, I was at Goodwill, and I shared on Instagram that I found this anthropology light that regularly is like in the $300 range for 25 bucks. And we just needed to replace the lighting that actually goes in it. Anytime I can add my own custom pendant light to a room, I definitely do it. And I always make sure that the electricity is off before attempting this.
Yeah!
I always get so excited when it actually works because I'm not an electrician, but I can do this. Like all of my macrame projects, I just used Kinsley's dog brush to brush out all of the tassels and make them hang really straight and look more polished. Next, it was time to style the shelves, and I really wanted to bring a lot of greenery into these shelves, and I have been collecting vases from the thrift store on my mini adventures over many months, and also picked some up from Michael's when they were having like a clearance sale. All of the greenery is also from Michael's, and I just started to style the shelves with our thrifted vases and then mixing the types of greenery to make it have a little bit of variety. So I started with the tallest in the corner and using greenery that was going to hang down past the bottom of the shelves because I think it looks really pretty when it kind of hangs off. And yes, we went with faux greenery in this space. I don't think that the girls have yet had a green thumb. I still struggle to keep plants alive, but I'm getting better. If Ava ever wants to see if she has a green thumb, she can always come back in and replace these plants with real ones. I also went back in with a little bit of a pop of color and added this A that she had from our last bedroom makeover. This was also a lamp that we used in their last bedroom makeover that I thought kind of went with the palette, so we just reused and kept it. And now for bringing in pops of color. So several of the throw pillows that I'm using are from IKEA, 2 large size ashy pink velvet pillows, and then textured. Also use this in Zoe's room as well. And then I found these peach colored pillows at Pier 1 when they were closing one of their locations, and they were on super clearance, and then added some more pillows to the chair as well. So just like in the other bedroom makeover, definitely needed a desk. They're still in school. So we brought in the original desk that she had in this room and also a floor length mirror because every girl needs a floor length mirror. And that's Romeo, aka cameraman, aka boyfriend. I wanted to bring some more greenery over to this side of the room. So I had this taller plant that I got from Target and also a planner DIY that I recently did in a thrift flip video where I went to the thrift store and found this messy twine looking trash can. And I took all the twine off and wove some macrame around the wire frame and also added in some tassels. And I felt like it was the perfect addition to our bohemian style room, but not as a trash can, as a planner. Once the desk was in position, we could determine how high to hang the TV, so we mounted the TV on the wall. And then styled the desk with just a few accessories, but obviously Ava's gonna personalize this with the things that she needs for school. And then brought in the matching chair to Zoe's room for this space. And totally, this is not the best chair for back support, so she could always swap this out. I just was reusing these as I already had them. Also reusing some old curtains that I had in my office, and they're just these white linen curtains that I got from IKEA. I actually still have some in my bedroom in my house too. Adding in one other detail, this is actually another thrift flip DIY that I did recently on my channel where I found this old kind of shadow box container. I spray painted it, gave it a new life, and then also added this cane detailing to the top of the glass and then added some felt to the bottom and turned it into a jewelry box. I felt like it was a perfect addition to this kind of bohemian room to tie in more of the cane rattan look. Hope you guys enjoyed this series, and don't forget to check out the vlog for the complete behind the scenes of this entire series over on my vlog channel, MaCenna Vlogs. Hope that they have a space that they can grow into, and also that they're gonna make their own. This will give them a great kind of foundation. I'm so happy with how they turned out. A special thank you to Desenio for sponsoring this video, and don't forget to go and check out the link, enter code MaCenna10 to receive an extra 10% off their already 30% on-site offer. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I post a new room makeover, DIYs, thrift flips, everything home decor related. And I also have a vlog channel that you can stay up to date on, which I posted a behind the scenes of this whole series, prepping for it, getting it all ready, ordering the supplies, the disaster that I made in the process. If you want to go check that out, I'll leave that link down below. And I will see you guys next Sunday for another video. Bye guys! Oh my god, this is so nice! Oh my god. That's
Wait,
so
what? Wait, didn't we just do it the other way?
No! You gotta make it
We literally did it wrong twice.